Hi, I'm Stu Clark, Research Director at TERRO, and I'm excited today to show you the TERRO Wasp and Fly Trap. That's correct, wasp and fly. But we've been able to formulate one lure that attracts both flies and stinging insects, so wasps, hornets, yellow jackets. This is a sting-free bait. This bait does not have the odor that you see in fly traps. So it's easy to put out. We include a Ziploc tie, but you don't even have to hang it. You can just set it down. The other thing that's nice, sometimes when you go to empty a wasp trap, some of the wasps will still be alive. We have put in a bug lock lid. So basically what you can do is when you go to empty this and refresh the lure, you close this bug lock lid, shake it up, and that will drown any of the insects that may still be alive and could sting you as you're dumping it out. So the next time you get ready to entertain guests outside, grab the TERRO Wasp and Fly Trap. And like all the other products that we like to put under the TERRO name, it works.